TRD, you know, he got his little rocker panels on, you know what I'm saying? He got his right here, part next to the TRD gang, you know what I'm saying? Twinning, you got the twins, you know what I'm saying? Got this right here. Yeah, man. This Focus ST. Oh, RS, my bad, RS. It's more clean, man. Got the Sick with merch on. Okay, see. What's going on, y'all? Got the Mustangs, the Mopars, man. Got the Genesis coupe. Everybody here is kind of thick today. This is the whole scene, man. The whole scene. The Genesis. Got the Lincoln Navigator. BMW thing. Hey, man. It's lit. See if I can find Houston car meets. I doubt it here, though. It's mug heavy. Got the BMW, the Charger with them 5-inch tips. Y'all see them tips, though? Y'all see them tips? Damn. That Genesis is popping flames, man. That Genesis is popping flames. Say, you gonna hit it again? You ain't gonna hit it again. What's up, dog? Yeah, I see, man. CBS Cars News. Check them out on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe on the channel, you know what I'm saying? The scene, man, is heavy out here. Got cars everywhere, man. Got cars everywhere. Got the JTRD merch. You know what I'm saying? See if we're gonna hit it again. I don't think they're gonna hit it again. I think they done. It's a nice little Mustang, you know? Stop bringing it. Oh, I know we kill myself tonight. I don't know. Got the Fox body Mustangs. I ain't about to mess up my ears. Y'all can have that. I ain't messing up my ears. I ain't messing up my ears, dog. Man, some nice cars here, man. Nice cars, man. Nice cars. I don't know where I want to go next. I'm going to go this way. There's too many cars, man. Look at these over here, man. Got this good old Subaru. Oh, it's a TRD. Got the carbon fiber hood on this thing. Mug clean, dog. Yes, sir. Got the wheels. Look at the wheels on this thing, man. It's mug clean. Who this for? This mug clean, man. Got the carbon fiber on there. It's mug nice. You got an IG or something you want to shout out?
My English.
Alright, bet. We must be on YouTube, so hey.
Spanish.
Alright, cool. Say it again. Got a sticker on something? You need like a sticker, man. You need a sticker on there. It's more nice though. Got carbon fiber roof, everything. It's more nice. Got the 5-inch tips on there, probably. You shoot flames? You shooting flames on your car? It's more nice though. It's more clean. Nice spec on there. Good old Malibus. Got nice rims on this thing too, man. Nice rims. Got the good old Mopars coming through. Good old Mopars. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Lights on this thing. Looking all good, you know what I'm saying? Got a lot of stuff out here, dog. What's going on? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? It's a nice challenge you got here, man. It's more clean. Oh, that's it? So. Yeah, man. that. Another Mopar over here. Got the Hemi.
What year is this?
Got the Camry with no emblem. It's got the Corollas. Just the trucks. Go in there and check this Camry out though. This might be the Camry I seen last time. I don't even know. Got this alley. Right. Yeah. Here's the car meets finally pull up. What's going on, bro?
I'm
Doing good?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Yes, sir.
Waiting to do some new stuff to the house earlier this week.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
For sure.
putting some the midnight edition items on it.
Okay. Yeah, for sure. Yep. I'm gonna be just chilling, just vlogging, you know, doing my thing. Doing my thing. Oh yeah, for sure. This is a nice game right here, man.
You know I ain't the greatest alive.
Over here.
Right, man. As you came out of my balls, nigga.
This is the high zone. Clean. Got the TRD Avalon over here. What's going on, y'all? Got the carbon fiber hood on the Honda. Supreme ramps, you know what I'm saying? Hey, Midlight Elite. Go there and check them out, man. Got the red rims on this thing. Okay. Boy, gonna eat. This is IG right there. It's IG. Avalon in the flesh. CRD Avalon, black on black. It's going clean. It is more clean, black on black. I can't even lie.
What's your get to?
Zay TRD. I got a TRD Camry. It's white. I popped over there though. So
What you do to it?
I got a rear hand delete. That's about it. I'm about to get a cold air intake, and then later on maybe like a supercharger or turbocharger. I don't know.
Vlogging for the vlog?
Huh? Yeah, no, just vlogging. Yeah.
Can I have a shout out?
Oh yeah, for sure. What's your IG?
Hey, shout out my mom. If you're watching this, I love you.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And shout out my boy Renee.
Hey Johnny,
This is my
no,
boyfriend.
Johnny, shout out.
This is my boyfriend. We've been together for 3 years.
Hey, just show you. Hey man, subscribe to Zay TRD on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? TRD Camry. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch on IG too. You know what I'm saying? What's your IG?
My IG's ATX_Johnny.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm gonna hit you up on there for sure. Alright, man, for sure. Hey, everybody vlogging. This mug clean though. This mug clean. Got some needle tires on there. Got the 86. This was nice. Over getting active. Got Beretta. Okay, that boy getting crazy, man. Yes, sir. Got all the Corollas. Got the Hondas over here, man. G37. Got the air intake on this mud. The mud clean, man. This yours?
Yeah.
What all you did to it? It's twin turbo?
Huh?
You put twin turbos in here?
Nah,
Okay. Yeah, I see you got 2 air intakes on there. I'm like, dang. This mug got some power, I know. For sure. You got an Instagram or something?
Yeah.
What's your Instagram? Shout it out. You go on check him out on Instagram, man. That's his name right there. I have to freeze frame or something for y'all, but I'm gonna edit that later on. We about to go on YouTube, man, for real. Yes, sir. We got the regular cars over here. Okay. Yeah. Go and get behind there and see. Okay. Yeah, this must sound good. Must sound good. Like that. Appreciate it. Like on. What's going on, dog? Got the Evo Mustang Bullet. Must sound good. GMC truck, man. GMC. Camaros. See, y'all got everything over here, man. Hey y'all got some shout out in the chat? Hey man, got you on YouTube right now. You wanna clean shorts right here? You wanna clean though? Say what? Alright, bet. Alright. Here, man. Yeah. Don't sleep on them Audis. Audis is fast, dog, for real. Alright, y'all. Got the G35. Oh, good old BMW. I'm gonna come over there in a little bit. Them are nasty. Got a good old Houston car beats. Well, I got no hood on now. What the hell? Okay. Boy, I got some real horsepower now. Okay. What's going on, bro? Good old Houston car beats. Hey, bro. You know, got them on YouTube. Look at no hood no more, boy. Yeah, man. For sure. Hey, this is Cardo, got that BMW. Don't sleep on this. It's a sleeper. It's IG. Make sure y'all go and follow, man. For sure. Make sure y'all go follow. No hood game. Got that nasty Camaro, though. And this Lexus. I can't. Oh, thumbnail. Right here. Thumbnail. Damn. Lexus clean. Lexus performance. Got the leather seats. Yeah. Y'all seen this a lot of times on my channel. Them nasty exhibits. Got the alien thing. You got the whole green on here. Green everywhere. Them nasty. Oh, snap. Look at this. He did some mods to this thing. It's not like that. I like that. It is clean. This week has been bananas. This week went bananas. This right here though. Right there, some big old trucks, man. Trucks. Looking good, man. This is trucks. Got the F-150. This must clean.
B12 bucket list.
Yes, sir. Yes,
All our merch goes to a family in need. Definitely go on
right.
b12bucketlist.com. Go check it out. We got shirts, hats.
See, we got the whole
We
squad
got
here.
decals as well. I got the decal in the back. If they want to see what it looks like, we got decals in the front.
Go check them out, man.
And stick around because the #1 up-and-coming rapper, Big X, is about to be performing. So you definitely don't want to miss out.
For sure, for sure.
Your boy Big Exodia, hashtag B12 bucket list.
Yes, sir.
I'm about to go ahead and do a live show real quick.
All right, that's a bet.
Sorry, that's a bet. Let's go.
This must sound good.
Oh my boy. You know, B12 bucket list movement is the best. I love working for these guys.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Yeah. I got it.
Dude, you should go live. So first off, y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Big Exodia. Hashtag B12 bucket list. Everybody put this on your Instagram. Look, got an ill mind, spitting dope rhymes. With a challenger, call me that guy. I'm the dopest rapper, Johnson, nigga, pay attention. Let me go ahead and show you what you really missing. See, I'm down with the streets. Go and get the money, thinking it's my life, but what it got to do to get the check. See, I'm not the individual. Used to get my veins, got a religion, rich in rhythm, but my style is got a crisp. Hidden with position when I get at the check, it's over. See the O's I've been caught, got the master of a soldier. I be running like a motor bus. I can see the haters out the corner of my eye. Never told me I would never give them up to something. Let me go ahead and tell you that it's just a lie. Look at me now, check the sign, look at the pronouns. Purpose one thing, then my life will be another. But I'm gonna be making the money, the money, gonna be getting me late. Hey, my rhymes never quick, can't keep up. Running like a semi, I don't put them hands up. Got an L mind, spinning dope rhymes. When he tell it
Time for me to go. Cop about to be called. Forget that. Got burnouts everywhere. This dude tripping. I'm gonna hit somebody's car. You know what I'm saying? Forget that. I'm out. The boy is out. Bye bye. I am gone. Alright, that meat got hot real quick. You know what I'm saying? Forget that. I'm gone. Peace out. Catch y'all next video. I ain't got time for this, man. Man, my car's gonna be on and popping. Tell you that right now, man. Hey, peace. Let's see if I can take this Camaro off the line, man. I'ma hit it. Hopefully he hit it. We gon' see, man. We gon' see. Let's get it, man. I'm done. Oh man, I can't stop laughing. Oh man. Alright. Bye y'all. Oh man.